Deep within the parched earth, the pistachio seed prepares for a decade-long journey toward the sun.
Born in the desert, the pistachio tree is an architect of survival, building a canopy that thrives where others fail.
Every leaf is a solar panel, capturing the intense desert light to fuel the creation of liquid gold.
The pistachio tree enters its dormant winter phase, the silver branches standing bare against a blue sky.
Spring brings a silent awakening. The pistachio tree prepares for the most delicate dance of all, pollination.
There are no bees here. The pistachio tree relies entirely on the desert wind to bridge the gap between male and female.
The young pistachio clusters look like miniature green grapes hanging from the branch.
The cluster is a cradle. Inside these green shells, the precious emerald kernels are beginning to take shape.
Detailed shot of the fleshy outer skin, known as the pistachio hull, protecting the inner shell.
Protection is key. The pistachio shell hardens into a fortress, guarding the nutrient-rich treasure inside.
The pistachio nut reaches its full size, while the hull remains a vibrant green color.
Sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating the hanging pistachio clusters like jewels.
As the summer heat intensifies, the pistachio hull blushes, signaling the onset of maturity.
The rosy-pink color spreads across the entire pistachio cluster, looking spectacular against the green leaves.
The pistachio hull becomes slightly loose, moving away from the hard pistachio shell beneath. A miracle is about to happen. Pressure builds within the shell as the kernel expands to its limit.
This is Dehiscence, the laughter of the nut. Only a perfectly ripened pistachio will smile while still on the tree.
The pistachio hull turns a deep magenta red, signaling the peak of the harvest season.
The wait of 7 years is rewarded. The kernel is now a concentrated powerhouse of healthy fats.
Green as an emerald, rich as gold. The color inside tells the story of the desert's energy.
The air is visualized as shimmering violet and green particles, representing the high antioxidant value.
Perfection is a smile. The genesis of the desert treasure is finally complete. The sun provides the final touch, drawing out moisture to lock in the crunch and flavor.
The pistachio tree in the background begins to shed its leaves, returning to its dormant winter state.
A soft desert wind blows through the bare branches, carrying the promise of next year's bloom.
The silver-gray bark of the pistachio tree is shown to be a fortress against the harsh climate. Heat transforms the nut. The crunch becomes legendary, and the aroma becomes irresistible.
Listen closely. The desert is whispering the secrets of its most prized harvest.
The pistachio tree leaves are shown to have a fine, silver fuzz that reflects excess heat. Quality is not an accident. It is the result of years of care and the desert's harsh but fair hand.
The thick, main trunk of the pistachio tree is shown to be decades old, full of history. Detailed shot of the kernel's green pigment, chlorophyll, which remains even after drying.